What is up, y'all? I figured I might as well record what I'm doing right now. So, your boy got a new car. You probably seen the thumbnail before you watch this video, but yeah, decided to get a new car, man. When I sold the GS, I needed something that was better on gas and that was just a little bit more economy friendly. So I went ahead and bought a whip. Excuse me. Now the car is pretty dope. When I show the next part of the car, you're gonna kind of see that it's kind of taken apart right now because I'm actually dropping the headlights off to a buddy of mine to get them done. They're not in the best shape. You know, what's this shit called? The oxidation of the sun and all that. Over time, it gets yellow, and I figured why not take it to somebody's professional that can actually take care of it instead of me trying to do it myself. So that's what I'm doing. And right now I'm headed to his house, drop them off. He does lights for like Porsche and all other types of big car companies. So, but there are the lights right there, and also I'm doing the GS headlights. They're back there somewhere too. So the white GS I have in front of my yard, I'm actually planning to start putting that back together. The interior's already in there. Actually, my bad. I already started putting the interior in. I had to get the module for the AC unit because I had taken the when I was inside that car and put it in my other car that I sold because it was working. So but yeah, man, so I'm pretty excited about the car, mainly because it's a 5-speed and it's great on gas and supposedly handles like it's on rails. So we'll see. You're gonna test that out. But long story short, it's a Honda Fit, and I might track it. I don't know yet. All depends on how I feel. So right now I'm dropping off the headlights to my homie. What's up, dog? And here are the headlights right here, as you can see, all yellow and just meh. Your neighbor like looked at me like I was a freaking drug dealer or something. I was like, that's not too bad, right? No. Easy peasy.
Come out like butter.
So this dude right here has done my GS headlights, and every single time he does them, it comes out perfect. So if you ever need headlights done, this is the man right here. Oh, look at this sugar honey iced tea. Yes, sir. That man is out. Yo! What the fuck? That shit looks fun as fuck. I'll probably kill myself on that shit. But yeah, so the headlights just needs a little bit of work. Already got LED bulbs to put inside of it, and that should kind of complete the front end. But let me go ahead and finish handing these over to my man right here. You know, I help you, dog. I'm about to give you all these just one. I gotta start recording. I need both hands, y'all. All right, so technically it's the next day, but I figured I'd go ahead and give you guys a quick tour. I don't know, tour, I guess, an overview of the car that I bought. But I think in the other part of the video I had mentioned that it was a Honda Fit. So here it goes. Right now it doesn't have the headlights in it. Please forgive me, it doesn't have the headlights. But here it goes, man. Honda Fit 2007. It's decently clean, honestly. Has little dents here and there, like dent right here. There's like a scratch right here. Tip needs to be changed. It's all bubbling up, probably done really poorly. Hood's fading a little bit. I'm thinking about wrapping this, just wrapping it black. One common thing that I found out with these cars is that this leaks pretty bad. So I have to figure out what I'm gonna do to prevent that from leaking. Because right now the trunk leaks, which is a normal thing for these cars for some odd particular reason. So once I figure out what I'm gonna do with that, I'll take care of that issue. But the car has 124,000 miles, 5-speed, and I picked it up for a decent price. I can't even complain so far. Drove back from Cocoa Beach back to Orlando pretty decently. Car's super slow, but it's very fun to drive. I don't know why, but as you can see, the headlights are out right now. My boy is going ahead and doing them, so by the time they come back and they're put inside here, they'll look brand new. One thing I do hate is that you have to take the bumper off in order to change the headlights or the bulbs, which is kind of whack. But I think when I do put it back in, I'll make it a little bit easier. Probably just leave some bolts out, so that way it makes it a little bit easier to change the headlights whenever needed. But let's take a quick look at the interior. So, interior when I first got it was super dirty. Went ahead and cleaned it up a lot. Still need to get these seats cleaned up a little bit more. You can see just the dirt right there. Super dusty still. I mean, it's not as bad as it was before, but overall, like, this thing was filthy. Like, the carpet was super dirty. Seats were super dirty. They're still dirty, but not as dirty. Went ahead and cleaned it up. Pull the front and back. Pull the seats out. Cleaned the seats up. Cleaned the carpet up really well. It's still a little bit dirty, but it's not as bad. Like, it was dog hair and it's all types of random stuff. I do have the OEM carpet, OEM mats inside the house. I'm probably still going to use those. I have to clean those. I guess the steering wheel is a little rubbed out, so he put this on there. But I'm probably going to change it to something else. Got to change the head unit because the head unit doesn't work as well as I want it to. So probably put aftermarket inside there. Here's the back. One thing I love about this thing is that you see still some stuff I was using to clean. These seats fold up. I'm gonna actually do like a full car review on this car because, like, I slept on this car, man. I did not know this car was so what's the word I'm looking for? I didn't know it was so versatile, right? It's a trunk. So I'll clean out the trunk. Gotta vacuum this. Probably gonna pull this carpet out and just totally freaking what's the word I'm looking for? Completely just vacuum it and make it look nice again. It has a little bit rust spots inside here. I'm gonna clean that up, look all nice. It actually rained today, and I'm surprised that it didn't leave a bad rain mark. This wasn't busted before, or was it? I don't remember. I can't remember if it was busted before. I took this off because I wanted to see like where the leak was coming from, so I took that off and I kind of pinpointed it. It's coming down from somewhere inside here, so I gotta figure out where to stop the leak from going, where to stop the water from going inside here. There might be a DIY online about it, so once I find out, I'm gonna take care of that. But thing is super roomy. Handles phenomenally, honestly, a lot better than I thought it would. Gotta still clean. I didn't even wash this thing yet. Right now, I'm just doing the interior. Still need to register it. Probably register it tomorrow. But overall, I'm pretty happy with the purchase so far. Shout out to my boy Matt. He's the one that went ahead and even told me about the car. I was looking for a car, but I wasn't looking like too hard, and he found this and got it for a super good deal. But yeah, I'm pretty pumped about this car, especially that people say that, you know, it's a great car to drive, saves really good on gas, and people track these things. Like, they're not OD fast, but they're quick enough, like in the corners and stuff, so people do track these things. Technically it's for my girlfriend, for her to drive, but, you know, I'll drive it here and there, because that thing right there is killing us on gas, the SUV. I have my brake cleaner. I have to spray my brake cleaner all inside here. Get all that brake dust out, that rust. I'm gonna show you how good my brake cleaner works. My wheel cleaner, my wheel cleaner. Get all that dust and stuff off. But the car is really not in bad shape, man. For its age, super low miles. The interior once again was just trashed, but that can be cleaned up easily. It has a ground effects kit on it and all of that. So I am gonna do a car review on this thing, just to talk about it. It's not a bad car. It's a well-built commuter car. I watched tons of YouTube videos on it, and that's the main reason why I even went and decided to buy it, was because of the reviews that people had on it and how it handled, and then the low miles too. That's one thing, you know, like, I really wanted a car that would last like 2 to 3 years without any crazy maintenance. It does have a timing chain, not timing belt, so I don't have to deal with anything with a timing belt. I do have to change the rotors because those are pretty old, and I might do spark plugs, just to, you know, bring it up to what it needs to be as far as maintenance goes. But super hype about the purchase. Once I put the headlights and everything, I'll probably do like a little montage. Alright, so once again, I want to thank you guys for watching this video. As usual, please go ahead and give me a subscribe if it's your first time here. Also, go ahead and give it a like and comment on the video down below. Alright, by the time you watch this video, we'll probably be a week out from our show. I might upload it this week, I'm not sure yet, but we might be like a week out from our show, so definitely stay tuned to that. Alright, check it out. So I went ahead and installed the lights last night. I actually should have did a video of when I picked them up, but my phone was almost dead, so I was able to do it. Check it out. Here's what the car looks like. Bam! Look at those lights. Looks brand spanking new. Shout out to my boy Gio. He went ahead and hooked those up for me. Amazing freaking job. He does them professionally. And if I can recommend anyone to do anyone's headlights, it would definitely be him. Still haven't given it a wash yet. Wash needs to come up soon, so hopefully I'll be able to wash it soon. We'll see. But that's the car, man. I don't know what I'm gonna do to it. I think I'm gonna leave it stock. Might throw some spacers on it. I don't know yet. We'll see. But this is it. Honda Fit. Super freaking fun to drive. Got a radio for it too coming that I gotta put in once it comes. But besides that, man, that's really it. Still get the damn seats clean too. But once again, thank you guys for watching. Till next time, I appreciate y'all. Peace.